Hello everyone. So in this video, we're going to be using most of the techniques that I've shown you in previous videos, and we're going to be playing around with watercolors and color pencils to make some art. Hello again everyone. So I've shown you all how to make beautiful backgrounds with simple watercolor techniques. And I've also shown you how to turn those backgrounds into works of art with markers, pencils, or anything you can write with. And I've also shown you how to use colors to make art out of those beautiful backgrounds. So in this video, I will be showing you how to use a combination of all the techniques that I've shown you. Well, maybe not all the techniques, but most of them. And you will see a combination of the techniques to make a piece of artwork that you can almost say it's intuitive artwork because you're kind of just playing with paints and colors. All right, so I hope you enjoy this. So with this method, the main idea is just to put down paints and marks to your heart's content. So obviously you would want this piece of artwork to come out good looking. So yeah, I would probably advise against just randomly putting down colors anywhere willy-nilly. I would say you should spend some thought and think about where you want the colors to go. And bear in the back of your mind that watercolors, when wet, has a mind of its own. So work with it. So in this piece of artwork that you're seeing here, I kind of have an idea of what I want to go. So initially I started off with concentric circles But then, like I said before, the watercolor paints, when wet, has a mind of its own, and it took me somewhere else. So I just let go and follow the lead of where it's trying to take me. And I just used my intuition to feel where should I put what color and how should I go about doing that. And you will see that when I'm doing this piece of artwork, I'm using some of the methods and the techniques that I've shown you before in the previous videos. Nothing I do here is new. Well, except for the last bit of gold paint that you will see me put on later on. After the paints have dried, you can use markers or colored pencils to put marks wherever you see fit. There are no right or wrongs here. And with that, I will talk to you again in the next video. Bye!